Pagpatay kay Mayor Halili ng Batangas, aksidenteng nakalkal.
Personalities who have been killed on the war on drugs, like big personalities that you know about.
Yes, Mr. Chair, it was a public knowledge. It was in the newspaper, like the couple na Odikta, di ba namatay po yun? Mayor Halili,
Ano
may
yung
mga
kay Mayor
mayors,
sa kalaperson niyan, Tony Halili?
Region 4A.
Yes, anong
Halili.
pagkakala mo sa pagkamatay ni Tony Halili?
Unsolved na kaso yan, 6 years na ngayon.
He was shot during the flag raising ceremony.
Yes, it was reported.
Sniper po.
So, what do you know about
Chismis lang kasi, Mr. Chair.
okay.
And I think imported. Kasi during that time po sa war on drugs, pwede pong tumawid yung mga operatives.
So, wala kang direct knowledge about it? Wala kang direct knowledge about it?
Pinagmalaki kasi ng isa, sir, na sila.
Sino yung nagmalaking yun?
Major Albotra, Mr. Chair.
Major
Albotra of Region 7.
Albotra?
Yes,
Of Region 7?
Yes po. Ano?
Sa susunod na hearing, ipapatawag na si Major Albutra na Lieutenant Colonel na ngayon.